Go.
Make deep.
Get him. Now your interview.
They call me Snickers. I came to the Jersey store for sex. I ain't getting none. None. I got dick. I got this like 12 times. My hair's high. My face is orange. And I'm going out. Where everybody's a whore. I'm only classy when I drink. I eat a lot of Snickers.
Send that to me, Lee. Send it to me. Send it to me right now.
You family walk around the street. Stand outside. Are you still videotaping?